What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Aston Martin Smart Key remote fob. This Aston Martin key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So in order to change the battery, the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob, and if we're calling the side with buttons on at the front, then we're going to flip it over and we're going to remove this back cover. So down here by the key ring is where you can get it started. You can just get your finger on the edge of this back cover and you can see it pulls up like that. So just carefully kind of work your fingers in there and pull that cover off. Once we get that back cover off, we can see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver and I'm just going to get it into this space right here. You can see there's a little bit of a gap. Just get my screwdriver in there and just carefully work that battery out of there. Once we get our old battery out, we can grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, and that'll just pop right in there. And then we can replace the back cover, snap that into place, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.